Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Brewer, local and long-distance movers near me. Being the 23rd most populated city in Maine, Brewer might be small, but this doesn't make it easier. Transporting your belongings from one place to another can be hectic and time-consuming. This is why you need to have the best moving company around you. We provide the best services at 3 Movers to ensure a smooth transition. We have the best team on the ground and are equipped with the best tools to provide you with a smooth relocation. With 3 Movers, you can rest assured of the following: friendly professional movers, neat moving trucks, essential moving equipment, and easy stress-free services. Most people don't know the difference between a local distance move and a Brewer long distance move. The equipment required for long distance travel differs immensely from those necessary for local moves. A local move is also more accessible and less costly than moving out. Long distance moves require more preparation and time allocation. However, this depends on your load and the distance you are going. At 3 Movers, we are one of Brewer's local movers that provides both services to our customers. We ensure your belongings reach their destination safely and unscathed despite the distance. You can also trust us to move your belongings with utmost care and professionalism. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brewer moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.